How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. And today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing and first impressions of a Fifine microphone that I just ordered. We'll get into that soon. So this is the K669 by Fifine. It's a USB microphone, and it's around $30 on Amazon, so I had to pick it up. I mostly got this for my podcast, just so I could have 3 people on at the same time. I have 3 USB mics going into my laptop, so I can all put them into sync and get really good audio quality out of everything. So without further ado, I got my knife here, and we're going to be unboxing this bad boy. Only one piece of tape, which is nice. Remember, it never cut towards yourself, even though I kind of just did right there. Put this down, and I'm gonna unbox it here on camera. Hopefully I can. Is there another piece of tape? There is another piece of tape. My bad. Sorry, didn't even notice that. Just slice right through that. There we go. Cool. Comes in a nice small box. Fifine is usually pretty basic with their packaging, but it's really nice packaging. So they have this right here, and by the way, this is not a sponsored video by any means. You can go to their website, fifinemicrophone.com. If you guys want to go hit them up there, you can do that. And then we have a user guide, which you can also look at for the K669. So I believe the one I got is pink just because it was like cheaper, and I honestly could care less about what color my microphone is. If you guys are into having a black microphone, if you're a little more masculine, you can do that, but to be honest, I could care less. So it just goes through like all the basic stuff, setting it up. This is an omnidirectional microphone, so you have to speak directly into the front of it where the volume knob is, and it'll pick up your voice. It has a volume knob to adjust the volume, how loud your voice comes out, and it also has an adjustable stand, as you can see, right there-ish, right there. So if you want to read that, you can. I'm not going to read that to you because that's boring. Here's the microphone itself. Very basic packaging, as I said. Comes with a little metal stand, which is pretty good weight, which is cool. And then we have just the microphone itself. So this is the rose red color. It was literally like $2 off, so why would I not purchase that? Like, I'm getting the same exact quality microphone just for a rose red color. And I don't care about how feminine this looks, to be honest. And to be honest, this doesn't even look that bad. This actually looks really nice. Got some good weight to it. It's not extremely heavy, but it does have some good weight to it. It feels like it's made out of mostly metal, and here's the adjustable stand. And this is very adjustable, as the thing said, and that's how they market it. So this is an omnidirectional microphone, so you speak into this direction, and it'll pick up your sound there. Really nice volume adjusting knob. That's pretty satisfying. And as I said earlier, it is a USB microphone. So I'll probably do maybe a further review on this product in the future, just so you guys get a good sense of how the audio comes out on this. Actually, if I have time, I would like to show you guys what it looks like with the stand. 'Cause that's pretty unique that it comes with a stand. So I'm just going to screw this in, as you can see right here. Also, guys, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for future content in the future, and leave some recommendations of what you want to see down in the comment section below. So this is the knob which you turn to tighten it and loosen it. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. If we just prop the legs out like so, we can get a good base, and then we just shift it slightly this way. Just put that underneath, and I will tighten it like this. So it's not the highest up microphone, as you can see here. It doesn't quite match my mouth like my Blue Yeti does, but it is fine. And you can also tilt it back like so you're speaking into it more. I don't know if you can adjust the legs any higher. I'm not too sure about that. You might be able to yeah, you can. Yeah, you can definitely get it higher up. If you just adjust the legs a little, because the legs are pretty stiff for the most part, and you can adjust this in various ways. So that's what it looks like with the stand and everything. So you can adjust it like so, and I'll probably just do an audio test after this and maybe put in my full review. Also, all the audio is coming out of this microphone. This is what I use for my podcast. Also, shout out Life Made Easy Podcast. Go subscribe to that and give us a rating and share it. We appreciate it. So I'll probably do an audio test in the full review when that comes out. So if you guys enjoyed this, make sure to smash that like button, leave a like on this video, share it with your friends, family, whatever. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Leave comments down below what you think about this microphone. Any questions, I'll be happy to answer them in the comments. See you in the next one. Peace out.